Okay, so now let's talk about the animal class or animal object we talked about in the earlier video. So let's create one animal class, and sorry for that. Let's call it animal skeleton.ob. So I just don't want to get too technical. I just want to show you uh, what a basic class and object looks like in an object-oriented programming like Java. Okay, so this is a class, animal class. As we said that a class can have or animal can have a state like speed. So let's declare one uh, variable here, and it can have a behavior. Okay, so like it can move. Okay, so let's declare it string moves. So for now, let's do this way, and let's create a constructor with this parameter. Okay, so let's say if the speed is less than 10, uh, let's consider this speed is kilometer per hour. Okay, it's less than 10, um, then it would return this animal is slow, else we can return, or let's do it this way instead. Okay, this animal is fast. Okay, so this is a basic animal class which has a field or state of speed based on which it behavior changes, or we can say it has a behavior which is moves. We can identify its behavior based on its state. Okay, so now if I this is a class. Okay, this is the blueprint of an object. So let's create another class, which is just going to be the executable class. So when we want the um, we want our class to be blueprint of an object, we create an instance, okay, of that class. Okay, right? So let's create an instance. So new animal. Okay, we are creating an instance, so it takes one parameter. So let's say it's speed, which is the speed. So let's say the speed is 20. So now this animal object contains, it's a container of that animal class. This object has all that information that belongs to that animal class. Okay, this contains the information, the state and behavioral information of that class. For example, I now want to print animal dot. So sorry about that, I did not create the main function. Let's paste this now. If I call it animal dot moves. Okay, so it will sys uh, sys out. Okay, so now what do we get? Okay, so when we compile and run the code, we get this animal is fast. This animal is fast. So what about we change it? We are getting, so here the thing is the behavior of that of the um, of the class is uh, identified by its state object actually. Okay, so if we just change it to 10, so what do we get? Still it's fast. Okay, but how about 9.99? What do we get? Okay, so we get this animal is slow. So the behavior changes based on the state. Okay, we get the behavioral information based on its state. So this is how an object behaves in the real life world, in a real world. So this is nothing different from this object-oriented programming. So before diving deep into the um, principles of object-oriented programming, I realized that this information or this example was necessary. So uh, thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in the next video.